up? Back in the garage again. I'm going to show you all the hot side situation. We got this A1 Tiger header turbo. Keep the wastegate from being straight to angled to be a little more efficient. The Pro Comp Turbo triple ceramic ball bearing turbo, oil cooled, Turbo Smart wastegate, blow off valve, spring, innovative jams, double zone, meth air injection, meth water injection, and here's the exhaust. Got made up for it. It's going to be pretty fun. Just a little short video here, nothing too crazy going on. Here's the window sticker for my car, right there. And then we got the receipt from the dealer as well. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna set y'all down over here for a second. Let y'all check this little guy that I found the other day. Y'all talk to me. Let me know what's going on. Let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe and like. If you have any comments. If I get 5,000 subscribers in between Turbo and the Beetle here, I think that would be pretty sick. What do you think about this ducktail, guys? My buddy Beelo hooked it up on this one. Shout outs to Beelo. Yeah, I was maybe thinking of putting a intercooler in here, or oil cooler or something, so it's actually functional. But yeah, I think it'd be pretty sick. Get away from the speakers, they're pumping. But yeah, so I did this today. I cut this out, trimmed it up for the suspension on both sides. Got a dent out. Thanks, Dan. But yeah, nothing too crazy going on here today, guys. You know, just cooling out. But I don't know. I'll keep y'all up to date. What's going on in the bug? Like I said, please like, subscribe, and put those comments in there. Hit that cowbell so you know what's going on. All right.